Hi everyone, I'm Jen and I'm the Client Services Specialist here at Pain Free Dental Marketing. We're going to go over best practices for creating a team spotlight for your social media to highlight a team member of your practice. Let's get started. When highlighting a team member on social media, you're going to want to include a photo of the team member along with some information about them. For this post, we're going to use the Team Spotlight graphic we created together in our Canva graphic how-to video. So what you're going to want to do is click on Create Post. Then you're going to want to go into your library, select the image that you'd like to include, and drag it onto the Facebook post. And it should look like this. Next, you're going to write some details about the team member you'd like to highlight, like what is their dental philosophy when it comes to their patients and what are their favorite things to do when they're not working. Make it fun and make it your own and be creative. And remember to include some fun facts to show your team's personalities. So I've already kind of created one here and I'm just going to go ahead and paste it. So this just talks about Angela, one of our lovely registered dental hygienists. This covers her love for her patients and a little bit of information about her family and how they love sports. Next, you're going to go ahead and select Post. And there you have it. That's it. It's one step down and one step closer to boosting your practice.